Hey guys, it's Cat here. So basically, I'm not speeding up my voice in this video, but I really don't want to. So let's go music plan. Oh, frick, it's not the right thing. Oh my gosh, what the heck? I don't know what the heck that was, but that was really weird. Okay, this one is MSP, just so you know. Okay. Okay. I'm not on my Chromebook right now because my Chromebook can't record, so you can tell by the mouse, obviously. And I do have a Chromebook. I'm gonna show you that it is a Chromebook right now. Wait, not right now. I'll show you in the next video that I have a Chromebook. I don't want anybody. If you don't know what that is, that was my Chromebook's charger, so that sucks. Anyways, I'm just going on this account. I'm on this account more than my main now. I don't know why. I don't know. Okay, I always thought that I'd never get another account other than my main. Like, I thought that my main was my main. Like, I'm not gonna be on these accounts as much as my main, but that changed because I'm on this one more than my main. So I actually really like the new theme. I love the theme. And this is a true thing. I fell on my skates earlier. It hurt really bad. It just hurt really bad. Okay, 1 second. I need to reply to this girl. What do you want? And I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to this girl. No. Sorry. And just so you know, the reason why I say no to all these people is because I don't give gifts normally unless it's for a reason. The reason why I was talking to this girl is because she's pretending to be Ariana Grande, and she's pretending to be Ariana Grande. So let's do this. Okay, she hasn't been on, so I'm a little okay. First, I think she got locked out, but come on. Oh, I was clicking the wrong thing. Starlight sprinkles. Recording. I love this dress. I'm a flight attendant. Anyways, I'm gonna show you that she said that she said you me, and it's not you. That's not nice. It's like calling the actual Ariana Grande ugly. That's basically calling Ariana Grande ugly. That's like, hi. Okay, so basically, please subscribe if you're not subscribed. So basically, I'm kind of checking. They didn't have any art books, but they have a lot. They don't have any views either. That's sad. Okay, I don't even know why people didn't. So enough of my rambling. Let's see. I love you too, Rosie. Okay. Anyways. Yeah, I am selling, okay. I'm selling this account. I was gonna give it to my sister, but I don't know if she took it yet. This is the account. It's called Famous Rares. I am planning on ultras or pretty much ultras in general. Ultras because it's a level 13 account. Wait, is it level 14 or 13 now? Yeah, it's still level 13. But I am giving it away because I don't really want it. It was my backup, but I don't need it anymore. Blech. Okay. So I don't need it anymore, so yeah. I'm planning on speeding up this video a little bit, so no. Bye, YouTube. I'll see you in the next video. I will post tomorrow because I post every Saturday and Sunday. Thank you for subscribing and liking if you do. And comment down below if you have any requests for any upcoming video in the future. So thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.